This is a fit for a 2015 through 2019 and likely beyond Ford F150 equipped with the ReTrax XR bed cover. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima SkyLine JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 70 inches in length, the SkyLine Towers, and the track-specific landing pads, which is landing pad 1 on both the front and the rear. Here we have the bars positioned at 34 inches from front to rear, center to center. That distance is variable along the length of the tracks. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. The system offers tools-free quick release. Simply pull back the cover to release from the landing pad and put a cap on the landing pad in between uses. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.